Welcome back to Saltgirls Adventures, and if it's your first time visiting, thanks for tuning in. And if you like the content, please hit that subscribe button.
This is part one of our 5-day fun-packed adventure in the Lake District, so please stay tuned for the rest of the days, which will follow shortly.
And if you already follow us, you'll know that we're currently taking on the 240 Wainwright Mountains and Fells in the Lake District. And
during our break, we managed to tick another 5 off the list. So sit back while we get started by diving into day 1.
On day 1, we were in the northwest of Lakeland, ticking off our first Wainwright of 2025, Broom Fell, before checking into our lodge for the next 4 nights at the Keswick Reach Resort. Here's the motor parked up. I'm gonna head off now, 1.4 miles from this barrier. On the map already, yeah? Oh, it's about the timber harvesting look. Go past this farm here on this track. You follow the track for so long till you get to a tree and then drop down into the valley and up the side. Day 1, climbing Broom Fell. 10 meters. Today. That's the one we're climbing over there. I think we're just going to hug that dry stone wall all the way to the top. So I will be here a couple of months ago. Being probably, where was it? Last April? Yeah, about a year ago. We did Grey Stones, which is up the top of there. Then we come back along this valley and picked up Spout Force Waterfall. I'll show you in this little video here. I think that'll be the Broom Fell over there. In the distance you've got Lord Seat. That one. I think we did that one when he was about 4 years old. We're on our way to the roof of today. So we picked up most of these northwestern fells. Little cluster, I'll show you on the map. For some reason, we missed Broom Fell off when we did the wind ladder. I think it was a trio, we did the wind ladder, Lord's Seat, and then finished over at Bath and then come back. Later it was only about 4 at the time. It was about 8-9 mile anyway, so we're starting to get a bit tired. Get into the lodge, get that log burner on, jumping in that hot tub. Oh yeah, submarines for the hot tub. Oh, the video. At this signpost, we're going to take this little turn off toward Lord's Seat. Down now into the little valley, and I think we're going to follow that wall all the way up to the top.
Dad, what the stick was that?
You be careful.
Honest to God, the stubbornness of this bloody man.
These two. These two totally blend in, don't they, with that bracken? Just give you a little look back down that valley. Grey Stones up there in the distance. It's coming into a little plantation here now. Lovely and quiet, we haven't come across another person yet. Start of the wall look. It's going to be following all the way to the top. Here we are, finding out that bloody bug. Right, start following this ruined wall.
you've watched this far, thanks, and please take the time to hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Tell you what, you can tell I haven't climbed one of these for a while. Miles to go. Nearly there, dog. 0.3 miles. There we see there. Cracking views now opening up. Haystone's over there. And over there you've got Crysdale Pike and Hopegill Head. Go! That summit. Well done, mate. High five. Hey. Here we are, Broom Fell, 510 metres. First Wainwright of 2025, guys. Whoa. It's hard to windy up the top of here. Snack time. That's the summit, Cairn. I tell you what, it was a hell of a pull. Up that incline, up that bank there. Whew. True Wainwright summit, I believe, is along here, so we'll go and touch that. What are you up to? Ah, see.
Well,
See you, Luna. So the true Wainwright summit, I believe, is up just over here. It's probably that little bit of rock there, though. Why they didn't just make that the true summit, I don't know. Here you go, look. Give it a slap. Well done, bud. That's the true Wainwright summit at Broom Fell.
Well, this was a great way to start our mini break. We had a couple of hours to kill before our lodge check-in, so we explored the Bassenthwaite train station before heading to the Pheasant Inn for a refreshing pint of beer.
Bassenthwaite Lake Station. Come on then, let's see what it's all about, eh? I'm sure there's a cafe. Oh yeah, it's a cool old bus, isn't it? The 1940s, you're probably right.
What?
I think you're right. It's an old telephone box. Wow, look at this big map. Look at this big map.
See all these dressed up. See all these red things, see them up.
Are there?
Yeah, see all the words, them up.
Ah, I see. Oh, it's cool, man, isn't it? Situated along what was once the Cockermouth, Keswick and Penrith railway line, Bassenthwaite Lake Station now serves as a quirky cafe, bar and restaurant. Look at this old steam train. Wicked this, isn't it? Yeah, massive. It's a big one, isn't it? Yeah. They're huge, aren't they? The French SNCF Class 241 steam engine that is now a permanent fixture on the track is in fact a replica. And it's the train that appears in the Kenneth Branagh 2017 film Murder on the Orient Express, starring Dame Judi Dench and Johnny Depp. There's a bar in there, look. Postcards. Nice, isn't that? Ah, that's where we are now, isn't it? Yep. First hint of spring coming, snowdrops are out. You think? We stopped off for one of our favourite watering holes in the Lake District, the Pheasant Inn at Bassenthwaite. Nice. What have you got?
After a well-deserved rest, we moved on to checking out our lodge. We have done reviews of Keswick Reach Lodge Retreat in the past. If you're interested, please check out the following links.
Guys, we're in lodge number 119, which is a Wainwright Premier. 2 bedrooms. This is a handy little feature. If you like us hiking, you can put your hiking boots or your wellies there. That's the main entrance in. We'll just give you a look around the porch. This lodge is dog friendly. It doesn't have a gate, which would have been ideal if you had a gate there, but never mind. Swing around. Got your patio furniture, those views. There's your hot tub, currently 37.7 degrees. I'll get up to 40 if you wanted to go. Even a little waterfall feature, look. Yeah, look at those views. That's Binsey over there, one of the Wainwrights we've done in the past. It's a bit cloudy today. Can't really see the Skiddaw range at the moment, but I imagine on a clear day you'll see everything. So this is a Wainwright Premier. It's a nice little seating area, isn't it? Yeah, nice telly. Look at that log burner there, look. Wow. Give you a look around. Lovely. Hot tub out there, look. That's some views from the tub. Swing around. There's your kitchen. What kind of career have you got?
Chicken.
Chicken, nice. Guys, this is Sogal's curry wraps. There's a glass of Sauvignon Blanc. I'm just going about to chill out and watch a movie. I quite like this little touch as well. Must be because this is a Wainwright lodge. So you've got a little writing desk here. We've got our map of the Wainwrights. So today we did this one, Broom Fell. We'd already done this like cluster around here, so it's a good one to do. And then tomorrow we're off to Ennerdale Water. We're going to pick up Long Crag in Grike. We're going to miss Lankrig because it's quite a big circular. Here we go, got the log burner on the go.
Thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe. And please stay tuned for part 2, which will be out shortly.